In this short video you will learn how to use bookLink. We have books in different languages. Choose a language you're interested in. Then, select a book you would like to explore. Press Load Graph button to confirm your choice. Some nodes have visible labels. For now, let's just click on them to make them disappear. Drag any circle anywhere you want. The goal is to make sure you like the position of the elements. Adjust your view by zooming in or out. Simply place the mouse pointer inside the orange box and use the mouse wheel. On smartphones, you can zoom by pinching as well. Notice how node becomes transparent after I click on it. It serves the purpose of tracking which parts of the book you already read. Now let's talk about how to navigate the graph. Colorful circles are called nodes. When you hover over a node, its label will pop up. It looks small on the video, but should be fine on your screen. Each node represents a certain concept. I want to stress that this is not a part of the text but rather a distilled idea. Once you found a certain topic that seems intriguing, click on it. You will see its content in details on the right. After you've read the content of one node, choose one of its neighbors to proceed with. Let's say the concept seems familiar or not as interesting as you thought it would be. In this case, you can jump to any other part of the graph, as I do in the video. As you probably noticed, I start with bigger nodes. This is because size, naturally, represents relative importance. Smaller nodes support larger ones with additional details. Sometimes the idea in the large node can be vague initially, but you will get it after reading supporting nodes. But don't jump all over the graph unless you feel like you understand the previous idea. You might be wondering, what do colors mean? They show chronological order of ideas appearing in the text. Blue ones appear first, then follow green, then orange and red are the last. But ultimately, connections between ideas are much more important than chronological order. You can read the graph in any order and can entirely skip things you don't care about. Like now, as the node label suggests, it is about using direct mail in order to attract users. Or this one is about using radio or TV advertising. Since I can't imagine a scenario where I might need this information for my startup, I just move to another part of the graph. This one looks promising, let me check it out. It's usually the case that after reading about 30% of the nodes, I become quite familiar with the ideas in the book. bookLink was created to let people skip boring or irrelevant parts of books and get straight to the point. But only you can decide which parts of the book are relevant and of interest to you. That is why. I am sorry. But there's no teacher or boss to tell you which node to read next. As a side effect, you will be much more engaged with the text as you have to choose the topic, which leads to a much higher comprehension and recall. Choose a book from our demonstration library and read it faster than you could ever imagine.